So I'm recording this to show you the manufacturer. Look at how this curtain is, how it's rolled up. The fabric, it's not as straight as this other one here. There's two different ones installed individually. This one lines up perfectly, and this one also lines up here perfectly. This one has a little gap, and I know that I can move them around when I use the remote control to lower. Right now it's set up for both of them to come at the same time. And you can tell that this one here is kind of going in a wave format. The other one is perfectly fine, all straight. And this one here, you're gonna see it shows more when it gets down to the bottom. You're gonna see that it's gonna create waves. The other one is perfectly fine. But as soon as I get to this stage here, you see how now this is getting this way, and this is the whole thing here becomes uneven. Okay, now you see the gap here, how this one here has the gap, the other one does not. It's a straight. So what causes this to be? Look at the difference here. Now if I notice that I can go here in the back, and I can grab this part here, and I can pull it one way, this way. I can adjust it. I try to adjust it from this side. If I go here, see, they seem to be almost lined up, but this one is the same thing. This one here seems to be okay, but this one does not do the wave. This is perfectly fine. But this one here, look at it, how much, look at that. All that is wavy on the, looks like the waves comes from both sides, the back side and the front side. So I don't know what it takes to do it. I try to use this here and try to move it one side. Here I can move it. I was able to move it with both hands to try to line up, because when it came from the factory it was one like this and like this, was not really lined up. So it kind of it seems to be pretty good here as far as that goes, but somehow, let's see this side, they seem to be pretty lined up here. So that's the problem that I'm having. Any solutions, any suggestions what I should do? Because it looks ugly this way. One side is perfect, this one here is not.